Hi there everyone, my name's Lakvir and I'm here at the AO Home. I'm going to show you how to use your Samsung device and use the Smart Switch app to get everything from your old phone to your new phone in a really simple way. So what we're going to be transferring today, so we've got literally everything you can think of on your phone. Your call logs, your device settings, your photographs, your videos, you name it. We're going to be using the Smart Switch app to get everything over as easy, as simple as possible. Make sure each Samsung device has the Smart Switch app installed. It might not be installed, so what you may have to do is either go onto the Samsung store or the Google Play Pass store. If it's there already, what we're going to do on your old device is go into the Samsung folder and we're going to press the Smart Switch app. And now we're going to press send from this phone and we're going to choose the wireless option. And now on my new device, what I'm going to do is exactly the same thing. Scroll up, go into the Samsung folder and find the Smart Switch app. Once that's done, we're going to then press receive on this phone. Choose the Android option and then once again choose the wireless option. You will then be prompted with a QR code on your new device, and on your old device scan the QR code. There we go. We're just going to wait for it to start and be completed. Now we're going to choose the USB-C option. On your old device, we're going to press send from this phone, choose the option via the cable. And then on your new device, we're going to press receive on this phone. We're going to choose the Android option, and then we're going to choose the cable option. Then what you're going to do is grab your USB-C cable, plug the cable into your old device, and then plug the other side into your new phone. Once this is done, it will recognize it on your new phone, and on your old phone, we're going to press connect. The transfer will now start to begin. Now we're going to transfer your data via the Google Cloud. Scroll up on your old device, hit the settings button, scroll all the way down to accounts and backups. Press that button. You're going to now have the option to press Google Drive backup data. You'll now be prompted to back up your data. Now on your new device, once again, scroll up, go into settings, and then all the way down again, accounts and backups. Once we go into that tab, rather than backing up your data, you're going to want to restore your data. You're going to press the Google Drive button again. The transfer will now start to begin.